Brooklyn Nomad here. I'm here with who? Say your name. I got Vince. I got Vince Mary Justo. And I got who over on this side?
That's Justo.
And Tots Justo. Today, guys, is a special day. Why is it a special day today? Because I have never done this before. But what you guys don't know is I have about 10 hardcore subscribers of mine that's always contacting me, whether offline or through YouTube, that's requesting special things. So today I'm gonna give one person his wish. So today, Mr. Link 1111 or 1111, however you call himself, today is your day. We're dedicating this video to you. You keep asking for it. I keep blowing you off. Yes, I said it on camera. I keep blowing you off. Today, we're going to get that drone footage for you that you've been asking for. So I'm going to take you through
use that drone?
Yes, you can use the drone. So I'm going to get you the drone footage link and show you everything that you've been asking for. And today, this is for you. So I'm giving back to my subscribers. You've been requesting this. I'm going to give this to you, the drone footage. This video is made just for you. All right, Link, here we go. Drone footage of the house. Didn't show you the blueprint, my brother, but this is the drone footage of the house. I'm giving you the area view so you can see. And I was amazed because I'm seeing it for the first time myself. But right there, Miss Bella's working the drone while I'm doing the narration. And so if she's a little shaky, bear with her, but she's working it. But right there, as you've seen, we just passed the living room. Now, these 4 rooms that you got right here, you have the office, Nomad office. Next one up right there, that is actually 12 by 12. That is the second bedroom. You got your hallway coming in, and then your CR. And what Miss Bella's trying to show you is that hallway, and the CR is that little wall over there. See it right there? I'm going to put a little arrow up there for you. And now we're taking it to Nomad's room, which is the master bedroom. So if you see that dividing concrete or hollow block, that's going to be closet and bathroom on that back side that she's trying to capture for you, right? And then on that side, on the front side, is actually the bedroom. Now, where you see that tarp is, you see a window, and then you see another opening. That was going to be like a French door glass opening. I decided to do a bump out when y'all hear me say bump out. Back to the living room. If you look right here, we're doing a special window right in that little corner. And you got French doors that's going to take you out to the patio, right? And then the bump out is going to come out right out that room. That's going to be another room. I think I'm going to make it 12 by 12. So that's what we got, Link. Like I said, this is all for you. You've been asking about the goats. You've been asking about the drone. I figured, hey, why not just make it happen for you? Because you know you've been staying on my back, but in a supporting way. So I want to give back to you. So I appreciate you for all you've done. I didn't want to show it because I got some things that I haven't shown yet. But hey, you get to see it now. So you see those 3 ugly trees right there? I really don't want to get too close, but that is going to be a patio. And that's where the guys are actually working. That was a last minute design that we threw in there. It's not in the budget for the house. So the house is still $20,000 or $20K. And that patio is not going to be included in the budget. But I'm going to go ahead and get it done. So when I talk about the house, we talking only house, not patio. And what she's giving you now on this side is she's going around and she's letting you see the sides of the house. So that bump out, that room right there, that's the master bedroom, right? And you see, I got guys working all over on the back side, the front side. Everybody has a job. Right here is the living room with the French doors. Okay, and now we're gonna pan around. We're passing actually that septic that you just seen. when you was asking for the drone footage. And so right here, you got window, right? And then it's going to be a double doors I'm going to do with the two windows right there. And those old trees right there, don't pay those no mind. The guys use those old trees for shade because it's so doggone hot. Another window. That window right there was originally going to be my kitchen. I decided not to make a kitchen. And this area right here, before you go back into the living room, this is where my garage is going to be right here, guys. So, you know, or I'm going to say link because this video is for you, buddy. So, right there, when you're looking through that door to the French doors, that's the whole living room. When you hear Miss Bella talking about Nomad Office, that's 7 by 12 right there. And this room is 12 by 12. And because I got so many trees over there, I'm not going to go in the backside because I don't want to mess up my drone and everything. She's planning on it. You know, it's her first time. So what Miss Bella wanted was, she wanted you to see the garden she did. Some goats got in there, ate some of her sweet corn. But what she's doing right now is she's hovering over her sweet corn. It's actually growing. And then the other video, if you caught that, the dragon fruit, they are growing. They just haven't got no height on them. So that's where all the dragon fruit is. So we got that going on. And Miss Bella also planted some doggone okra. And she wanted to show you. She was like, hey, you showing Link the house? I'm showing them the garden, right? So that's what she's doing. And right here, you got some tomatoes and everything that have not took root yet. And what she's getting ready to come through right now for you, if you look real close, these are some sunflower seeds because I'm a beekeeper. So I actually planted some sunflower seeds. And they said 7 to 10 days. Like, these things came out in 3 days. So, yeah, I'm going to be doing a blog on those too, on the sunflowers. You see them right there? They're actually there. And the drone is blowing them, so I don't want to get too close. You see those here wiggling? Yeah, I don't want to get too close. I don't want to mess up my plants because they just came out and everything. So we got the garden going on, the septic, and right here in front of this tree, this is where the balcony is going to... I mean, I keep saying balcony, but it's the patio, guys. This is where the patio is going right now. This is what I'm working on. This is why y'all don't have no more footage. Because I want them to, you know, do some progress before I display it. You want to see the finished product. So this is what's going on now. These guys are working. The thing that holds us back the most is digging these doggone holes, man. Because you got 3 different levels of dirt and stone that just slows them down. But once they get finished, we can rock and roll and we can put those pillars up. And right here where I'm showing you, this is where the roof is all going to take place. So this is what we coming up to, Link, is getting that roof on so we can start being inside, get that electrician going on. Look how deep. I mean, they said it's 80 centimeters. That's like 2.5 feet deep. They making these holes. They want to make it, as they call it, typhoon ready. So Link, thank you, man. I appreciate you. I believe you've been with me from the start. So again, thank you. Once again, I appreciate you. Brooklyn Nomad is out. Nomad Travels. Travel with us.